Hello and welcome to another episode of the House of a Thousand Clocks TV. I'm Rose. Today you will be amazed because I brought something special for you. Every one of you knows surely the Black Forest Cuckoo Clock. And you are thinking about traditional cuckoo clocks without like a traditional design, a Black Forest house, but it's not always so. And that is why I brought this exceptional cuckoo clocks today to show what you can do with creativity and special ideals. And here I show you the first cuckoo clock. This special cuckoo clock here, it's a really eye catcher. It's made of mirror, okay, that has a traditional design. The pendulum is also with detail. The contrast here with the black color, it's also very well. This clock is very special, and I like this clock because I can style my hair here, and I like this. And this clock, it's mechanical. You see, have two weights with a weekly movement. And the bird is coming every hour and a half, one time. Now I show you the bird. And now it's coming a different clock. This wonderful clock here, it's a work of art. You see, it's a hand-carved bouquet around the clock. Okay. The flowers are hand-carved and painted also by hand. Okay. It's a very nice design. It's also mechanical. Okay. And you can hear the sound every hour and a half, one time. Now I show you the bird. And now it's coming a very different one. This beautiful clock here. This clock, it's made with felt, okay? And the bullet head, the symbol of the Black Forest, is embroidered on the felt. The bullet head, it's normally the traditional, it's in red or in black, but this color in pink, it's very, very nice. This clock, it's a battery operated one and has also a light sensor. The bird is coming every hour. Now I show you the sound. You can hear the sound. And now it's coming one of my favorite cuckoo clock. And you see why. You will see. This special cuckoo clock here. You see, it's a Black Forest house that has many details. And it's the best gift for motorbike lovers. You can see here the mythical Harley Davidson. And here you can see the sign of Harley Davidson here. The posters on the wall. And the tools here on the floor. You can see the tools, has many details. The cow here, it's very funny because you can see the HD painted, okay, here from Harley Davidson. It's very funny. I love this clock. And you can see it's mechanical with a weekly movement, but has also music, has 2 melodies. And the figurines are moved here with a melody every hour. Now I show you the clock. And as you have seen, we also have Harleys here in the Black Forest, because we have the best landscape here you can enjoy with on your motorbike. And in our shop we can find some, and I have one here. This special motorbike here, it's very cool. It's made of wood and has many details. And I think it's a great idea and the best gift for motorbike lovers. And all these clocks here and more you will find in our online shop. When it's something unique, you can call us, okay? I hope you had fun. And then we see you the next time. I have my motorbike, and now I get a ride here through the Black Forest. Until the next time, and bye-bye. Thank you very much.